We visited SushiSamba in the Heron Tower, or the Salesforce Tower, in London several times, and it's been one of our favourite restaurants in London for a long time. The combination of Asian and South American flavours, cool design and a great location is in our opinion a winner. Now we visit its sister restaurant in Amsterdam for the first time to see if it checks the same boxes. The most obvious difference is the location. Not a high altitude building here, but if you should mirror Amsterdam in a location, it has to be situated along one of the busy canals. Here you find SushiSamba almost on the water, with the Singal-Gracht Canal just a couple of meters away. It's located in the same building as the Holland Casino, so it should be easy to find. From the entrance you walk down the stairs, past the bar, and you're met by the huge familiar SushiSamba logo, and when you go further in, the golden and red tree is here as well. In Amsterdam, it's the sushi chefs who guard the roots of the tree and not the bartenders. The decor is stylish. The tables almost look glazed and reflects the light from the water outside. The last box to check is of course the food, and it's amazing. The menu offers all kinds of sushi, but also great tempura, duck, tender beef and delicious desserts, all beautifully presented. We'll let the images talk for themselves here. We had a very nice visit and great service from a waiter, who had also worked in London. The Amsterdam version of SushiSamba is as great as the first London version. We refer to the first because SushiSamba has also opened a new restaurant in Covent Garden, which we hope to visit soon. For more videos of Amsterdam and the rest of the world, visit allthegoodies.com. Please subscribe to All the Goodies by pressing our logo.